Hi, I'm Hayley from Pacific Harvest Seaweeds, the edible seaweed specialists. We're on a mission to make it easy to eat a little seaweed every day because it is so incredibly nutritious for you and also fantastic for planet health. Today I'm talking about our Furikake style seaweed seasonings, which we call our seaweed and sesame seasoning range. This comes in chili, garlic and citrus. I tend to use the citrus more in the summer, the chili more in the winter, and the garlic is a fantastic all-round product. If you have been told that you need to add more seaweed to your diet, this is the very easiest way to bring a little bit of seaweed in your diet. Every single serve of this product gives you an excellent source of iodine. So iodine is fantastic for supporting your thyroid, which really runs digestion, sleep, hormones. It's a functional food as well as a delicious seaweed. Now, our recipe is different to other brands because it's a vegan friendly recipe. We don't use any animal products. As I've already mentioned, there's an excellent source of iodine in every single serve. We are gluten-free accredited, so very soothing and appropriate for anyone who has celiac disease and is looking for more flavour and excitement in their meals. We don't add any MSG ingredients to our recipes, and this is quite different to many of the Japanese-inspired recipes where they will add extra sort of colours and crunch to give you that mouth sensation. Ours is a very pure, clean recipe, and that's the key point of difference. I would use this product pretty much in everything. In fact, I keep it on my desk, add it to whatever I've got for lunch, whether it's leftovers or a salad. I've added it to garnish. I use it as a garnish. I've added it to batters. Beautiful to add it to a fish or chicken crispy coating. I've put it in savoury baking. It is really a very easy product to use every single day. And as I said, just fantastic to tick off your iodine needs. So check out our website. We've got lots of recipe ideas. We've got a free recipe book that you can download to get to keep that copy, or just have a look at Seasonings and get some inspiration. Enjoy. Our website is pacificharvest.co.